So this says, number one, business entity registration, sole proprietorships and general partnerships. So if it's you or you and your friend or you and your mom or you and your whoever, these are the two scenarios that they're speaking about here. It says a sole proprietorship or general partnership doing business under a name other than the name of the owner requires a DBA. This is a doing business as certificate from the clerk's office of the county in which the business is being conducted. So Harris County, Houston, Texas. Many counties have searchable databases of the listed business names used. So you probably can go online and just Google the DBA database in your city to find out if somebody else is using the name that you want, to find out that someone else has something that's very similar to you, to find out any of these things. Does your friend have a business? You can find out all those things by doing the search. It says filing a DBA does not secure nor protect your business name. All types of business entities, LLCs, incorporated, etc., must file a DBA.